Akita and water adventures, splashes, and swims. The Akita breed is renowned for its majestic and powerful appearance. Originating from Japan, these dogs were initially bred for hunting large game such as bears and boars. Over the years, they have become popular as loyal and protective companions. With their thick double coat and webbed feet, Akita dogs have a natural affinity for water. In this article, we will explore the water adventures that these magnificent creatures can enjoy. Swimming is an excellent exercise for both humans and dogs. It provides numerous health benefits and can be a great source of fun and relaxation. While some dog breeds are natural swimmers, others may need some assistance and encouragement to enjoy the water. Fortunately, Akita dogs fall into the former category and often take to water like ducks. However, it is essential to note that not all Akitas are born with the same inclination towards water. Some may be more hesitant or anxious about getting in the water, while others may jump right in without any hesitation. Regardless of their initial approach, introducing Akitas to water and encouraging them to swim can provide them with an enriching experience. Before introducing your Akita to water, it is crucial to ensure their safety. A life jacket specifically designed for dogs is a wise investment. It will give your Akita buoyancy and peace of mind, especially if they are still learning to swim or are not yet confident in the water. Additionally, always supervise your Akita when they are near any body of water, as their powerful build may give them an advantage but can also pose potential risks. When introducing your Akita to water, choose a calm and shallow environment such as a pool or a lake with gradual slopes. Avoid deep water initially, as it may overwhelm them. Start by gradually entering the water yourself and encouraging your Akita to follow you. Use positive reinforcement such as treats and praise to reward them for their bravery. The more relaxed and positive the experience, the more likely they will associate water with enjoyment. As natural explorers, Akitas will likely take a keen interest in their surroundings while in the water. They may enjoy splashing around, chasing after floating objects, or simply taking a leisurely swim. If your Akita is comfortable with the water, you can introduce toys or floats for added enjoyment. It is essential to remember that each Akita is unique and their level of comfort in the water may vary. Allow them to progress at their own pace and never force them into situations that make them uncomfortable. Apart from swimming, there are various water adventures specifically designed for dogs that Akitas can participate in. Dock diving, for example, is a popular canine water sport where dogs compete to achieve the greatest distance or height when jumping into water from a dock. Due to their size and athletic ability, Akitas can excel in this sport and have a great time leaping into the water. Another exciting water activity for Akitas is paddleboarding. Paddleboarding involves standing or sitting on a large board and propelling oneself using a paddle. With their natural balance and strong build, Akitas can join their owners on paddleboards and enjoy the tranquility of gliding over the water. This activity can be a fantastic bonding experience for both dog and owner. In conclusion, while not all Akitas may have an innate love for water, they can still be introduced and encouraged to enjoy various water adventures. With patient and positive training, Akitas can become adept swimmers and eager participants in water activities. Whether it's splashing around in a pool, dock diving, or paddleboarding, these magnificent dogs can find joy